I'm Yusina Nasna. I'm EC038 in branch EC. Right? Today we have to work smart, right? Uh, uh, Work smarter, not harder. I'm believing in this motto. We should have certain abilities like decision making, problem solving, then communication, time management, etc. Right? So, for this motto, work smarter, not harder. We describe it in one word, that is time management, right? So I'm going to briefly discuss about time management today. Time management is a organization, or we can say time management is a process of organization and planning how to divide our time in specific activities, right? Some time management skills like scheduling, then manage appointment, then decision making, goal setting, etc. etc. Right? By recognizing some challenges, we will be able to make our time management more intelligently. So first one is too many work, or we can say too many tasks on our schedule, right? We need to do more tasks than we think. So divide your time particularly and manage your things. Second one is too many interruption. Believe me, this is the worst enemy of time management. Interruption like phone calls, some emails or messages, etc. etc. So avoid it and give your best in your task, right? Third one is lack of organization. Organize is more important. Like we organize such a things in marriage, like this ritual on this time, this ritual on that time, right? So organize your things and give your best in your task. Fourth one is fear of failure. Sometimes we just fear of that failure, that if I fail, that what that and we thought on that, right? We thought and thought. So it's wastage of time. So it's best you do something. Then fifth one is unable to say no. Sometimes we can't say no to some person, right? We are afraid of that. Don't afraid and clearly say no, because if you say yes and to do that work, then you don't work properly and with clear headed, right? Then last and sixth one is lack of priorities. Prioritize your task to their importance. There are four quadrants. The first one is task is urgent and important. This is the quadrant of urgency, where you drop your responsibility and focus to that specific matter. So if you spending more time in this quadrant, then you realize that life is controlling you. You will find out that you just react what life gives you. So avoid this quadrant, right, in your life. The second one is task is not urgent but yet important. This is the quadrant of quality, and this quadrant is make your life easy and enjoyable. Third one is task is urgent but not important. This is the quadrant of distortion, and it's disturb your task, like phone calls, message, WhatsApp message, then emails, etc. etc. Right? The last one is task is not urgent, not important. I will give you better example is social media. This is the quadrant of waste our time. I clearly say that waste our time is social media. So I love to spend time with it, because there is no work and it doesn't require our mental capacity, right? So avoid it. In last, I would like to thank you, and I would like to say that work hard. No, 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 no. Work smart, not hard. Thank you, guys.